Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete, admitted upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, people, we have a whole lot to discuss in this one, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with dancehall artist Bounty Killer looking like a real Judas out here and a snake at the same time, because he did a post and delete a few days ago where he went on like a binge rage and ranting in the comment section, disrespecting some of his friends and a lot of Gaza Nation fans. You see, my people, and it wasn't a good look. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. He really looked like a child. You see, I say, because the people want to know all Cartel for swap gold for soul, and you turn up right next to him. Putting on the comment section what you think about that, because I'm just seeing a lot of emotional alliance fans that can't hold them general accountable. So he made this post, right, Chasu?
So hold on, why problem now? Like literally, why problem now? Because me say, me like what me like, and me not like what me not like. You understand? And that the problem.
And he captioned it saying, what's really the effing problem though? Rascal, mama male and she male, una love man more than female. Some of una are real batty bitch fish. And you know, the people them wasn't having it, so this person said Cartel was in prison and was still bigger than y'all. Now he is out still bigger and richer than you all. You, a grown Godzilla, biggest hater, and never wanted him free. And he went on to respond, it's not about who's richer or who's bigger. It's about who's the better person, but that God's the thing. Ever since swap soul for gold, God go with you. You see me? And that's why some of these fans is, you know, I don't want to say emotional, but just really want to know what Killer deal with. Because if you didn't know, say, him was Daddy Devil from them time that to know. Why, he was standing up next to him and glazing his comment section when him come out of prison. So that's just why people like Jazzbird is saying, you know, if someone for take Bounty phone. But he's like, take phone for what, nigga? All I want to coward, my name Warlord. Tell them to ask them boss about me, because it look like you forget, brother. As I said, I got time today, so send them out, bad man kill for fun. And just had to remind him, Walla Uno, me far from coward. Everywhere you been in, I was right there. So don't try style me comment. I mean name Jazzword Jazzbad. Don't forget. And he went on to make a lot more you know, comments and respond and all of these things. Like basic saying, I don't care if Adi wants to follow him or not. Him can go follow him full, you know, fans them who led him astray before. And I guess it's leading him astray now. This is my say. But at the end of the day, people wants to know what's the issue him up with Cartel. As you can see, this person been fans with him since the 90s. And I'm bound to say, I have no problem with Cartel. You see my say. I'm only should ask him the same thing, because I'm the same rather massacre than Tamale in the Clash. But he's only posting the parts where Massacre is dissing Vybz Kartel. And that's what the fans don't understand, because him did all up in the Freedom Street and I make big speech and I glaze him comment section and them thing, as you can see in front of you as evidence. When he made that big speech, but it looked like say him delete the post, because man not lie, people them did beat him over 1,000 comments, people that beat him and remind him say him and the she-mail and mama mail and all of them thing. Him a try style people, which is
Bounty Killer smoke coke for them dead on a sea view. When them down on the park, when them catch a little mud river fish them. An elephant a tell him stop it long time. I am not here. Crack skull them a tell him stop it long time, not here. Cause him bigger brother before Bali, when name Jungle Jesus, was crackhead. And then them a practice. And him a practice too. Yeah. And now the crackhead, I can style my little daughter, my beautiful little daughter. My beautiful little daughter, your bright killer, your out of order. And listen me, you know me, you know Footer Hype. And you know say, you can't drive, no fear in me. Sitting at the bed, end up have to clean up the bed, and blood clot go lie down in a shit up bed. And a ramp with me, Bounty shitter, and me a ramp with, Bounty shitter, and me a ramp with. Where you get the nerve? Figure sit down in a one girl bed and shit. You're batty man. You're batty man. You can't call nobody batty boy. Dog, to all me head sick, me can't even spit for a girl. Me can't spit for a girl, you know. Me have to backside down and kick her down. Or you go shit in a girl bed. Oh, you go shit in a girl bed. Tell me that now, killer. That more your blood clot tell the people them. Why you go shit in the girl bed? Why you go shit in the girl bed?
General, shit in bed.
Shitty general.
Yeah, what a hypocrite. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next because I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my Credible Boss channel because when they drop some things over there with Michi, I talk about how Akeem dangerous. I deal with Rosealee like him want and all of these good stuff. You see me, I say, but you know, said the other day when they said Akeem, they look like same they want to bring things to Jaden. I know, me see video with Shebada saying that him get word that figure it out and Akeem is trying to take him out like one Naya.
So you see anything happen to you, make sure say your mother don't ball. Make sure your mother don't say people against you. When I walk at issue things, when in a group chat, you know. When you know say me have surveillance camera all over Akeem. But this would go like Naya. This would I don't know could fly out. Anyone go where pick on up. You never know. Rosealee never tell you. Anyway you go suck cocky Akeem. Me no Jaden, you know. Suck old Akeem and lick out but to figure it out a uno me attack. Yeah, anytime you're ready, lick out batty Akeem. You hear? Suck out, snow batty wash. Anytime you're ready. Yeah. The boy will eat snow pad. Anytime you're ready. Anytime you're ready, dirty man. Where they are? Hey, you must say things say, it's a Naya this one, I go ball and say, it's not me, it's not me.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where you think about that. As you can see, Blam Blam commented on the situation and letting them know, say, about the family them bad, you know. You see me, I say, oh, Franklin Town. You know what I mean? Yeah, a serious thing I go on my people, and some more people is talking about the situation at hand. Cause you know every time of this year, December, January, people that drop up on TikTok. You know?
What I mean, like, what that indicate? You get me? I say, and it has stem based on the conversation where they matter. But listen, let me tell you still. Based on my observation, Jaden is a youth who can hold him on and can stand up for himself. You see me? I say, and that's one of the things when me rate about it. You get me? I say, me appreciate he's a youth who can hold him on.
Share out the light, the share. Anybody have share opinion and share out the light, the share it.
You see me? Anybody, me feel like say, me glad say he's a youth where really make them bully him or and I feel like, you know what I'm telling you, this no I know sound right, but me glad say a Jaden them a try pick pan. You get me? I say, as a giant, you know, the thing one type
because
of
them feel like say it's a sauce soap and the dog I take it to them.
And Rose no want that. Everybody company up to make something.
It's go suck you, madam. So I never say I want to make brother. I say I never have nothing against someone, but I say I hate the girl. So yo, I never say every time I see Rose, I say my stomach upset.
She sick my stomach and she try to set up a dog life before too. You know, go like they no member. Dirty Jamaican people and go like the messy way.
That's why when Jaden they run him out and car, and the man know when they do you. And Jaden they run him out and car, man. The man know when they do drag.
Alright, thing you man do. Man, good all save all your own.
But Rosealee can't tame. Let me tell you, Rosealee, I type of people them. Rosealee, you ever hear a story with the frog and the scorpion?
Hold on.
The scorpion.
You talk about we, well I know.
And then come talk about say
in the streets, bro.
You see them, anytime you see somebody catch them or catch one of them shot, man, them go understand that. But let me tell you still, I'm glad some of the one up, me and a family approach you, I push this TikTok thing one type of way, you know. You see if me there all a family member, I push this thing, dog.
The Jaden I go dig up all of the X move. What you mean by man I dig up all like X move, dog? We don't stop trying to go on like you don't want to frame me, man. Which part of man I dig up X move? Where man I do about bring up? I that you don't want us a long time, dog, for have something over a man, dog. I that you don't want us a long time, bro. Taxi the thing the
As me
dog.
say, bro, I'm glad say Jaden and pick pan cause a youth we can hold in one and defend himself, brother. You see me?
I
So
want
I'm glad
Jaden.
say that the youth, I'm glad say that them on the
Everybody,
dark.
wanna
Cause them on
comment
they can
one
defend
Jaden.
themselves.
When they hear my girl they come at this up Rosalie, when a Rosalie gift us from overseas. When Sky Diamond, when they hear Sky Diamond come at this up Rosalie, you have to say, seriously? I said this thing get serious.
Talk about it. Uno is a nobody. Uno is a nobody. So you can't come on my platform and talk. I want Jaden and I want Shape and I put on and like it or not. One
I could
Jaden
them
and
gift
I want Shape.
as them a bit, them a come do that. Could them gift as them a come do that.
But no, Kimmy, where are you with?
So when I
Benny.
hear Sky Diamond, I curse me say me have to listen to Sky Diamond when him a cuss her, you know. And I say look how much money my son going give
Yo,
Rosie this and me say, seriously man? Like seriously?
What are you?
Oh, them a fall na for them chop. And me ask every day, you know. Oh, the hell them a fall na for them chop. That me ask myself every day. Oh, them a fall himself na for them chop this up. Hmm?
Kimmy, where are you with?
Yeah, madness. People don't forget to go on my Boom Bye Bye news channel and check out what I go on for them to go on cause Sassy case say I be a hope your thing. I'm pretty leave with you see me. Right? So do the right thing and subscribe to me all over the place. Turn on the notification bell there for you be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.